there's no sleeping in when you're in Hawaii. And the birds come out in full force between 4 and 5 in the morning, so you literally cannot sleep. So we get up and we make smoothies for breakfast. We jump in the hot tub or in the ocean, swim with manta rays or with dolphins. So here is a smoothie recipe that we made in the mornings with acai berries and coconut oil. And I just love the way that they just take handfuls of supplements and drink them down in the morning before the day even starts. So here is Tom Pace, who introduced me to natural medicine and who welcomed me 26 years ago and again last year to his home. And here he is making his morning smoothie. Hey Tom. What you making?
A nice little breakfast, instant breakfast. A little coconut oil, some Thorn Mediclear, few bananas.
Organic, obviously.
Organic, obviously.
Yes, we need to start eating bananas.
And stretch, reach for the sky. Handful of pecans. Stand on tippy toes. Handful of walnuts.
Is that the correct measured amount?
Yep.
Just handfuls.
What can we use for a carrier in there, right?
Beer. Mama beer cheese,
Or orange juice if we got it.
Nice.
Or acai.
Breakfast.
There'll be some left for when you get back.
Absolutely. Is that a Vitamix?
Yes.
It's so on.
Voila, breakfast is served.